Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm going to be showing you how to watermark your images in Workspace so they show up with a watermark on your website. You might like to watermark your images to prevent people from downloading or copying them before they've purchased them. Before you do that, you'll need to upload a watermark to Workspace. Click on Settings and Appearance, and along the top here there is a tab called Watermarking. Here you can see where you can upload your watermark. We recommend uploading PNG files with a transparent background. Click Upload and find the watermark that you want to use. Once you've selected that, a few different options for the watermark style will appear below it. Select which one you would like to use on your images here. I'm going to use this one here. Underneath the watermark style, you can choose to watermark your collection by default if you wish. Once you've done that, you can head over to the event you'd like to watermark and select it. Once you're in that gallery, head over to your collection settings. Down near the bottom here, click on the No, and it will ask you if you want to watermark the collection. Click Watermark Collection, and under Watermarked it will say In Progress. If you're watermarking a large number of files, it can take a little bit of time for the watermarks to show up on each image. Once your images are watermarked, you can also reapply the watermark, temporarily disable the watermark, or permanently disable it if you choose to remove the watermark from your images. You can see what the watermark looks like once you head to the event images that you watermarked. And when you expand the image, the watermark is across the center there. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.